All right, baby, this is Carolina. And what Jose is saying is that they knocked down a lot of this area here. See, that's the old. And then they put all these new buildings here, like this apartment. So you're not gonna see the historicness of Carolina, other than the church is the only thing that remains in the center of the town. Which is a shame. But I guess with all the storms coming through here, they had to redevelop. You got like a lot of museums. But see how they're putting all these mini, to us, we would call them high rises, but you can see the difference of what looks like could have been here, all new, and that other church looks like it could have been here, and then this is all new, and then this is the original church that everyone sees when they're in town. Like that house right over there, you could tell that's original to the T. All right, and this was a hotel. Hotel Ponce in Carolina, and they kept it there. And then he said those over there have been restored. Wow. ¿No tiene cosas aquí para música o...?
No, a veces dan de noche dan jazz, pero eso es hace tiempo.
Eso tiene algunos días específicos para hacer eso. Con el kiosco, música.
It's a museum.
Museo de Alta Historia. Eso está abierto. Casa Cambuta, sí.
Pero no sé si es su
Hay que ver.
They're remodeling that one over there. Alrighty. Fernando Rey de Castillo de Leon of Ponce. Oh, it's that Viejo City Hall ahí. That's the old City Hall over there. Very keep to their true Spain tradition in Puerto Rico.
Yes, they do.
Yeah, this is the guy that used to be the governor of Carolina from 1198 to 1252. Oh yeah, look at that. But it just shows you that a lot of Puerto Rico, especially Ponce and a lot of the areas that we show you, see has the Spanish style, like the churches and stuff. Okay, where to? Mm.
Pediatra
Let's-
aquí, mira, de años, de toda la vida. Un pediatra ahí.
Let's watch out for the car, BB. We're just walking down the streets to see what Carolina used to be like. Oh wow, it's abandoned over there. That's the obstetrician and gynecologist. Huh? Huh? Ese, no, ese casa en inglés, an obstetrician and gynecologist. That's where you would go. And this is all old. Oh, that's nice. And you can tell this house here, it's how it used to be made with the wood. And you got yourself a little Indian. Not bad.
Aquí. Cecilia Huerta.
Se vende. For sale. Wow. Too bad they're locked.
Estamos turisteando por ahí, ¿verdad?
Ay, qué bueno.
Telling you, a lot of abandoned places here. Just makes you wonder what it used to be back in the heyday.
Hay muy correcto. Mira la cajera, mira la cajera, mira la cajera. Eso es un poco de
Rápido, rápido.
Oh wow, look at that. That's nice. That's what I'm saying. That's what my grandmother had a house wooden like that, but I'm just saying.
That's what we call in Florida a cracker house.
Yeah. Just imagine if they would have kept that center square the same.
Oh, yeah.
Mira, ese era un beauty. El beauty viejo de aquí. así.
Oh
Ahí,
wow.
mira.
And then this is new. You could tell, like restored, I mean.
Se va a barber shop.
Eso antes era la oficina que hay de Escute.
Oh, the Head Start? The Head Start office. But this is how it was back in the day. You used to be able to come up here and eat. Oh, panaderia.
Ah, sí.
Okay.
Yo me crié aquí. Buenas tardes.
Hey.
Buenas tardes.
All right, this is Jose's hood. This is where Jose grew up down there. This is his hood.
No. No, no. There's another old house right there.
Yeah. Oh, wow. ¿Te voy a enseñar la casa que tú
No,
creó?
ok, no,
¿No?
lo que pasa es, esta casa, esos apartamentos,
Ajá.
están esos apartamentos, ahí era la casa mía, de mi papá, pero la expropiaron para hacer esto aquí.
Oh, okay,
Yo
okay.
me crié aquí en esta calle,
Okay.
Y aquí,
desde pequeño, ahí están las cosas de...
para hacer ejercicio, allá.
Oh, a park, yeah. All right, so what he said was basically this property here, BB. His dad had a house here. This is where he grew up, but they sold it and then they put these apartments.
Yeah, where the
But this is his street here. That's where Jose used to hang out at the nail salon over there. He used to be bisexual and stuff. He used to get that bisexual haircut and eyebrows and the fade, the nails.
Eso era antes un supermercado.
Área recreativa.
And that used to be a supermercado one time.
Entonces, es
That's his father's uncle.
tiene como, no sé, como 90 años.
90 years old and he's driving, baby.
Wow.
That's what's good about growing up in Puerto Rico. You know everybody
Por ahí por el pueblo.
is your
Yeah.
family.
Sí, no hay más nada. Sí.
See, when you're 90, you can drive.
Yeah,
In Puerto Rico.
Llegando con unos amigos, viéndolo por ahí.
Murió mi papá, murió la hermana, murió medio mundo y él todavía está vivito y coleando.
I just hope we don't walk into one of Jose's girlfriends. Mira, no. Hey, no, no quiere que caminar y pasó. Hey, ese fue antes la novia de Jose. Este otro novia antes de Jose. You see a lot of girlfriends over here. Laura's gonna have to kick someone's butt. No, no, por allá.
No, ya.
Gonna have to watch out now.
Don't try getting him in trouble. He'll be very busy and that's all by himself. He does not need your help.
Yep, agriculture.
Sí, pero quiere coger creo que azúcar, ya él sabe que está allí. Él sabe, sí.
Está buscando en tus novias antes.
No, no, no.
Your ex-girlfriends. I'm looking for your ex-girlfriends to hunt.
No.
Aquí está la pizzería del pueblo, que ha sido una pizzería de toda la vida aquí.
Ajá.
Este,
Esa pizzería.
Rose, ¿verdad? Está cerrada.
No, está
¿Dónde está?
There's a pizza ahí.
Benny's Pizza.
Yeah, that's always been here.
No, pero ellos no quieren pizza de nuevo.
No, 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 no.
No, no.
Ooh, smells good. Smells good. But no, no, no Benny's pizza.
Te gustó el olorcito, pero...
La mejor pizza de Carolina.
Sí.
Oh, look at that building. This is nice. That's how you can tell you're in Carolina, because they always have these bars with the arches and very design.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was one thing I used to see a lot when we used to visit my aunt.
¿Derecho o qué?
No, aquí.
Aquí.
Aquí está bien, yeah.
Ok.
Let me see, son. Let me see if this is abandoned. Let's see if this is abandoned. Son of a gun, we can never get a good abandoned place. But they put this wall here for some odd reason, so people don't go in there. Okay. Ah, they got it closed off. Oh, shoot.
That's pretty.
Yeah, that is pretty. Oh, wow. It's abandoned there, but it's locked.
The security systems are working today.
Look at the dog. Estos no son los perros de Rincón. And stuff. These ain't the dogs in Rincón, baby.
What?
These will eat you.
I know.
The dogs in Rincón, they go up to anybody. Yeah, this is nice. Alrighty. Alright, let's head back to the car. It's getting wild out here. Dogs are going crazy. Son of a gun.
¿Sabes qué te lo dice yo? Ya.
All right, that's it from the Pueblo
Okay.
in Carolina.
Till the next video,
What'd you
guys.
think about it?
I liked it. It's really nice. I like it.
It's where Jose grew up. We didn't find no ex-girlfriends or nothing, but we found an uncle. maybe the next trip. Maybe the next one. Then we can see Laura fight him.
Yeah.
Laura fight the girls off.
Yeah.
All right, bye.
Adios.